Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be crispy wraps with seared chicken. You have heard of wraps, but crispy wraps? Here's how you can do it. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut 2 pieces of capsicum portion from the whole piece. 1 color each. Julienne cut them. Julienne cut the cabbages as well. Season the chicken with marinade ingredients and let it sit for 10 minutes. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add in the capsicum and cook till softened. Add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Alternatively, you can add some pork marinade made from Korea. My peers told me this is good, so why not I just give it a try. Mix them well. Tested it and it tastes nice, but I guess it will be better for meat dishes. Add in the button mushroom and cook till softened. In a clean pan, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in the chicken breast and cook at medium-low heat. Once they are brown, flip them over. Slice the chicken into strips or small pieces. Heat up a hot pan, add in the wraps and cook at medium-low heat. Once you see bubbles start to form, turn the wraps around and cook for 10 seconds. Add in all the ingredients on the wraps. We are using a toaster oven here. Preheat the toaster oven. Once heated up, place the wraps on the tray. Look at the cheese. Once they are bubbling or has melted, you can remove the wraps and let it cool. And it's done! Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!